find this printable sewing pattern in the description. Cut and glue the pattern with a sticky tape. I use Tulle. Cut 5 parts. Also cut 5 parts. Baby lock the edges. I use contrasting red thread. Sew long ruffle string to a big bottom part. Sew the ruffles to detail A. Leave 5 centimeters from the bottom. Hand stitch the sides of the skirt. Measure the skirt to your figure. Make alterations if needed. This time I use this kind of string to finish the edges. This technique called hanging seam. Fold this string 2 times and cover the edges. Iron the seams. I use elastic string for waist. Stretch elastic waist part while sewing. I decided it doesn't look good, so I cover this seam with the same string. My overlock will cut off the first seam. I think it's easier to cut off the first overlock seam and sew the string from the second time. Good luck with your project.